Hi, this is Kevin Haynes. Welcome back to our series on ideas and opportunities to be able to make money from home. Not working an hourly job from home, but actually creating and doing things that will keep on bringing in money even after the hard work of setting it all up is done. We call that passive income, and there's a video in our series that focuses on what that means and a lot of great ideas we talked about so far. So go back and look at the previous titles, see if any of those opportunities really interest you. If so, please leave a comment on those videos so I know that that was something that you got value from. The idea I have for today is the idea of creating an app. Now, I think for most of us, the idea of actually creating an app is just something that's beyond what we think we can actually do. But the truth is, a lot of people have worked on creating apps even without being completely knowledgeable about the inner workings of smartphones and computers and things like that. A lot of times it starts with, man, I really wish there was an app that could do this, or I really like this app, but I wish it could do more, or it could do this. If you've ever had that kind of idea, hang on to it. Bring that out of wherever you stored it and give it a fresh consideration today, because you might be able to actually create something that a lot of people like and that can bring in money for you as well. Is there a certain daily routine where you wish you had an app to help with that? Or do you have an idea of how to improve an existing app? First of all, write that down. Sketch out your app idea. Draw a picture of what it might look like, or what the menus might look like. What do you want it to be able to do? Next, it's highly recommended that you do some market research. You got this idea for an app? Now, go check the App Store on Apple. Check Google Play. Check other sources. Check online. Does it already exist? Is there something similar to this that already exists? Go find that out. If you find an app that does exactly what you want it to do, well, problem solved. You can use that app. But my guess is there's probably some things you're thinking of that someone else hasn't, and you saw some ideas to make it fresh. After that, create mock-ups of your app. Put together a design for it and how it would work. If you click on this, you go to this. Decide your app's graphic design. What do you want the icon to look like? What do you want the menus to look like? Now, to do this all the way through, you're going to have to learn some coding. There's no way around that. What amazes me, I'm kind of an old school techno person. I actually remember taking the computer language BASIC back when I was in high school, and I took Fortran in college. If those mean nothing to you, then you are way younger than I am, but that's okay. But I've been amazed recently by the influx of the idea of coding. It's part of the STEM educational program, and there are books and websites everywhere, even for little kids, on how to begin to learn coding. Coding is what you need to be able to design an app. So there are opportunities out there. You will have to go learn some of that if you don't already know it. But the great thing is you don't have to go pay an expert to do this. You actually can do it yourself. So you're going to need then to decide, when someone clicks on your app, what is the landing page? What are they going to see? And then you've got to build the app using code. So you got to put all of that together. Once it's designed, test it out, see how it works. Then you've got to put your app into the App Store. The nice thing is that both Apple and Google allow you to, with some limits, bring your own app into the App Store. If it's compatible, it can be there for others to look at and to buy, and you can get money off of everyone that downloads your app. You might need to look at marketing it, because there are so many apps out there, which I'm sure you know, that your app may be overlooked. So you might need to buy some ads on YouTube or on Google, or get the word out on Facebook. Let people friends of yours know that, hey, this app is really cool. I actually designed it. Go check it out. And then always have a way to get some feedback and listen to that feedback. If you've ever read reviews for apps on the App Store, you know not everyone's happy with any app out there, but a lot of times they're frustrated when the app didn't work the way they wanted it to, and they felt like no one was listening. So find a way to get tuned in to the users and to their feedback find ways to improve the app. Maybe you'll find a way to actually improve it a whole lot or create a whole new one based on the feedback you've gotten. But all of that can simply lead then to more business and more income for you. So if this is something that you're interested in, I suggest check it out. It doesn't hurt to at least come up with the idea for the app, draw it out, and then see if anyone else has got one. And what I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below, if you've ever designed an app, or if you have any other ideas about how this could work, or what you think of this idea, please let me know in the comments. If you got some value from this video, please like, and if you want to follow us along on this journey, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you know anybody else that would be interested in learning different ways that they can have passive income, then please invite them to follow along. And one last thing, I believe that out of all the ways I've presented about ways you can make money at home, I think affiliate marketing has some amazing potential, and I have a link down below that can tell you more about how that works and some great step-by-step instruction, a great program, some great mentors. So I encourage you to check that out as well. Thanks for watching the video today. Again, I hope you got some value from it, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.